What's up, my woos? Good morning. It's currently 7:13 right now. Got this bitch on jack stands. I'm gonna just clean up the garage a little bit, cause man, my family, they just drinking and they just turn into bums. But I'm finna jack this hole up a little higher so I could have more space. I mean, I do have space cause I'm small, but if I could jack this bitch up more higher, then that should be more easier to get to all the test pipes. To the highest? You gotta drop it a little bit.
Drop what?
The jack.
That's the higher it goes.
Alright. Mine doesn't go one more, you're gonna have to drop it.
That's it. Let's do it.
Alright. Damn, son.
You bring a fucking tire. Put the tire over here. Keep it right there.
Yeah.
Find some of the tires.
You're gonna do the same thing in the back, right? Alright, well, so the reason why I'm switching out all my exhaust gaskets are because the other day I was driving and I hit a big ass dip. And then next thing you know, my shit started sounding like a fucking tractor. And this is the reason why this shit sound like a fucking tractor. That shit's missing a bolt. The gasket came out. This shit pretty much just fell off. That shit left me stranded on the side of the road. I had to jack this shit up right quick and then just put in this one bolt real quick. So that's why I'm changing everything. And then also, might as well just change all of them because all of them look fucking crusty. And then I'm gonna also change these right here. Where? Because I'm missing a bolt right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm missing a bolt right there. And then also, if we come to this side on the other side, I'm also missing a, oh no, I'm not missing a bolt, but that shit could get replaced too, because oh my mama, I can't be going out. If I'm gonna switch them, then I'm gonna switch them all. Get this hole right, trying to get that top one. Shit hella hard. Gotta use the wrench instead of the socket. Socket just holding that shit, and the wrench, barely any space. Yeah, you already know. Hell yeah, smoke up, nigga. You already know. Trying to get this shit right though. That's how we do it, nigga.